Hi, I'm Caroline Rudderman, and we are going to continue supporting the ear and jaw health today. So go ahead and bring your hands a little bit behind the ear this time. A little bit behind the ear. Sometimes people like to do, like this sort of with the front and the back of the ear. That's really nice if you have a lot of jaw tension and ear stuff going on. So you can always do the Spock is what this, how I was taught that was called. Um, but I'm going to encourage you to sort of do behind the ears. What I've found in my own anxiety journey over the years is that I actually have held so much of my anxiety from the base of my skull, just so much tension in that area. And that has definitely affected my tinnitus when I get